Hey there, this is a camping vlog, which I've been making for quite some time. It's taken early into the year, which was on January, one of the coldest months of the whole season. I remember it was misty in the morning and it rains in some areas, and afternoons were mildly warm. And looking back, I think what stuck with me the most during this trip was how peaceful and beautifully serene it is to be part of nature. From the sounds of animals, the sights of trees, mountains, rivers, and many other things that make you feel so blessed to live in such tranquility. I didn't include any ambient sounds to this video, except for some music, but all of it were from all the raw shots, and I didn't imagine it would be this beautiful during editing. And if you want to read about my experience, my blog page is at inkwellangel.wordpress.com. So I'll leave you to it and enjoy my Camp Hayatas camping vlog.
Wala lang. Wala lang. Puro lang lahat ng gamit. Yung video. Puro lang lahat ng gamit.
Sarili rin ang pagkuha. Uy! Zoom in the Hayatos. Yeah. Yay! Stop tayo no.
Ito kasi ayun, thank you. Hindi, ano yung daan yun? Mukhang malinis naman.
Yung sa'yo, pagkakataon. Una muna na lang yung tent. Ano ka na? Pako ang kanya. Yan, eh.
Ako ba yung dito, tas dito? Saan yung opening? Ito, tas doon. Ito ako dito. Ito mo ng tubig. Ay, tinatali ko.
Mamaya mo na i-adjust ha yung puso ko.
Dito mo ba ako? Favorite ka nga daw niya. Hindi na favorite mo ako, sino na rin?
Nakabalik ko ako, girl. Kailangan ko ano sa bahay. May ganito pa.
Meron pa, ano?
Hindi naman yung forma niya. Nape-prevent bang mabasa ka?
Ano oras na, Jen?
Tapos din kami. It's downing. Mana?
Ano yung mo? Very sad ko. Oh my God. Like without breaking yung ganito.
Green glass of water. Ano pa po, ma'am?
Here,
Ilalagay mo.
malalim to. Mga ka-asukal like, oh God.
Na, alin?
Yan.
Oo, wag mo sa...
Medyo meron ba ito?
So, andito na kami. We are ready to swim with the swimming attires on.
Hapon na din. Ano ba maganda?
Kaso yung tent na
Hindi, madali lang yan. Sabihin mo, iti-turn.
Huwag na, okay lang ako.
Sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Ganon?
Starting to get really dark around here. So may lights naman na in our camp. Camp Hayaros. So pabalik na kami. Kakatapos na namin mag-swim. Bakit? Oh my God, parang may mga tumatakbo.
Oh my God, saan?
Parang
Hindi ko nakikita. Saan na? So, diba? Maligo na.
medyo madilim na sa atin.
I cannot use my gear. Strain my mouth. I cannot use my gear. Strain my mouth.
Ganda ng setup ng mga kapitbahay
Ay,
namin.
wala ano yung kanina.
Ganda ng setup nila.
Ang ganda pala ng pwesto. Ay, meron din siya. Hindi ko may tungod yung hair ko, girl. Ang kakain ko, hindi ba yung family? At least perfect. Dito na tayo.
Yeah. Ang sarap ng kung
Ano ba yun?
oh, it's posting.
Tama na yaya kita dito sa ano.
Hindi tama.
Yan, gagamitin pa yun para magamit. Hindi mo sa araw. Mabilis yan buko. Kasi may mga maliliit. Sige, okay. So, mais kayo ha. Sa inyo. Ay, sa inyo.
Gising na kami, B. Thank you.
Madali. Akala ko wala. Wala siyang ayos. Kuha may pa. May ayos siya. May ayos siya.
Oh my God! Wala lang.
Nakakati ka? Hindi ko kasi makita eh.
Dito naman.
We would definitely go back to camp here again someday. The service, amenities, the view, and everyone in the camp seems to respect each other's time and space. The people there were really considerate in turning up their music, which could somehow become a mood killer in many campsites. I think it would be even more fun if we could go back there with more activities, which Barangay Kayumbay are really proud of, like hiking to the waterfalls, ATV rides, and many other things, which I haven't done yet. If you intend to camp here in Camp Hayatos, send them a message at their Facebook page to book your stay ahead of time. And if you enjoyed watching this video, I have a lot more to edit and upload, but for now, you can follow me in my other socials or see my other YouTube videos if you enjoy the outdoors as much as I did. Bye guys!